Good morning, guys. Mike here at RCRX. Just wanted to bring you the Stretch Typhon, formerly known as the Super Typhon when I had the limitless nose on it. Obviously it no longer has that. But I've taken some time rebuilding this guy. I've changed up the setup on the inside, whereas before I had the motor and ESC up here in the front. I have switched it to having the ESC and the motor on the same side again with a single battery pack on the other side. I don't plan on running this over 6S. It is 8S capable ESC. I'm gonna hook up my programmer, set this on the cutoff on the lowest setting, so hopefully it won't cut off on me. I know there's some folks out there that are really against having anything in it except for Castle ESC, but this is what I got, so this is what I'm running. And it seems to do good, guys. I've had it up to 115 miles an hour. Now it had the TP motor in it when it did 115, but I will at some point upgrade that ESC. But for now, I'm not a good enough driver to, worry about that type stuff. So I'm going to continue on learning how to tune and set it up and things of that nature. And then when I get to that point, I will run a Castle product in there probably, because you can cut off the LiPo cutoff. So, but until then, like I said, this is what I'm gonna run. So I have clipped back together with, it's got limitless diffs, Typhon suspension, limitless shocks and shock towers, front and back. I have the limitless motor mount, 34, I believe 34 gears, so it's 1-to-1. So I'll be taking it kind of easy on it. Gonna do some test hits on 4S, guys. But yeah, she's back together and we're gonna do some runs on it today once we get it all set back up. And I do have a 6S battery charging, and just in case I get it where it is running good. But guys, there she is back together, and it is stretched on a Creighton chassis if anybody's wondering. I put the 55mm extensions on there for the body mounts, and it fits good. So hopefully I won't have to tape like I did before I had the body mounts put on there. So, but everything fits good on there. So we'll get her out there, guys, and we'll make her run. Hopefully we can get it over 100 again. Like I said, it's been 115. So hopefully we can get it going straight and get it over 100 again. Anyway, guys, we'll go straight to the run. Thanks for watching. Y'all have an awesome day. Alright, guys, we're out here to make some test hits with the Super Typhon, or Stretch Typhon now, I guess. It's not the Super Typhon anymore because it don't have the nose from the limitless like it did before. So I'm gonna have some new aerodynamic challenges, but we'll see what we can get it up to. Got the GPS on there. We're gonna get the body on, get it turned on. I'm gonna run these first hits on 4S. And make sure that it's going straight. And then we will possibly go to a different spot. I like this spot because it's It is kind of stress-free. There's not traffic, not through traffic anyway, because it's a dead end down at the other end. But we're gonna get this dude down to the road here. See if we can make a quick run. Alright guys, so I've got the rolling resistance pretty good. It's got the stock Arrma bearings in there, but I did pull them out, clean them. I put some silicone oil on them, so hopefully it'll help with that. I got 12 satellites now, guys. Zeroed out. Reading. Alright, let's wake her way down, see what she'll do. Alrighty, here we go. Seem to be going straight. $71. As quick as it went on this 4S. Alright guys, let's see what we got here. Got the running mode, forward reverse brake, cutoff bolts is at medium, so let's edit that. Alright, we're going to put that at low. Brakes at 100, reverse 25. Punch level 3. That's the stock punch, which I think is fine. Timing. Let's see what stock is on the timing. So let's put it back at 0. All right, so we got it reset at low. Fan plug back in. Alright, let's try this one more time. We got everything reset. We're going to try this one more time on 4S. See what we get. We got it zeroed out. 0. Reading. Alright. Alright, here we go. see what you got to, you guys. That was a bit better of a run. Just going straight. All right. 78. So we're making progress. I think that was it for this battery. Let me double check that real quick. Yeah, that motor's not even really trying hard, guys. Yeah, we're down to right at 4 volts per cell, so it's not gonna do any good to keep running that one. So we'll let her cool off. That's the battery I was using, guys. Seems to be a good battery, but it doesn't last as long as that 9500. You would think that it would. 78 miles an hour. Alright guys, well she's running straight with the 4S batteries in there. So I'm going to call that good on the testing, guys. Still nice and cool on the motor. You know, it's warm, but warm to the touch. It's not hot, so I think we can keep it going. It didn't cut out on me, so I think 78 miles an hour is just as good as it can get on this 1-to-1 deal here. So anyway, guys, more to come with this guy, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Y'all have an awesome day.